Hello everyone, in this lesson, Maths Angel will be teaching you how to solve simultaneous equations by using the elimination method. The first thing we're going to do is label our equations. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Next, we're going to decide which one of the terms we are going to eliminate. Are we going to eliminate the x terms or the y terms? And in this lesson, we're going to eliminate the x terms. Now, upon deciding which terms we're going to eliminate, we're going to look on the coefficient of those terms. And here we can see that the x in equation 1 has 2 as the coefficient, and the x in equation 2 has 3 as the coefficient. Now we're going to find the least common multiple of both of the coefficients. So let's write the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, and we can go on. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and we can go on. Upon doing this, we can see that 6 is the least common multiple of 2 and 3. So the LCM equals 6. Now that we know the LCM, we have to multiply equation 1 by a number that will get 2x to be equal to 6x. And we also have to multiply equation 2 by a number that will get 3x to be equal to 6x. And when we look on the equations, we can see that if we multiply equation 1 by 3, we will get the 2x to be equal to 6x. And if we multiply equation 2 by 2, we will get 3x to be equal to 6x. So now let's carry out that operation. 3 times and 2 times 3x plus 4y equals 1. Now let's distribute. 3 times 2x gives us 6x. 3 times 5y gives us 15y. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. Now 2 times 3x gives us 6x. And 2 times 4y gives us 8y. And 2 times 1 gives us 2. So our new equations are 6x plus 15y equals 9 and 6x plus 8y equals 2. And we're going to call this equation 3 and this one equation 4. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look on equations 1 and 2. We can see that they both have the same signs. They both have the addition sign. And when we're solving simultaneous equations by using the elimination method, we have two abbreviations that will assist us. The first one is S, 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 and the second one is U, S, A. S, S, S stands for same sign subtract, and USA stands for unlike sign add. And when we look on equations 1 and 2, we say that they have the same sign. Therefore, the abbreviation that will assist us in this problem is SSS, same sign subtract. After noting that, we can now say we have to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So we'll have to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Now we're going to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So equation 3, 6x plus 15y equals 9. And we're going to subtract equation 4, which is 6x plus 8y equals 2. Now, in order to avoid confusion, we're going to distribute this negative sign. We're going to distribute this negative sign. So let me show you on this side. This what we have right here can be written as -1 times 6x plus 8y equals 2. They are the same. So upon distribution, we have -6x, -1 times +8y gives us -8y, and -1 times 2 gives us -2. Now we can carry out our operation. 6x plus 15y equals 9, and -6x minus 8y equals -2. And when we distribute the negative sign, it's more easy to carry out our operation, and there are less chances of making any errors. So now let's do this. 6x minus 6x is 0. So our x terms are now eliminated. Next, 15y minus 8y gives us 7y. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Now we're going to solve for y. 7y equals 7. 7 into 7 goes 1 times, and we know what we do on one side, we have to do on the other side. 7 into 7 goes 1. 1 times y gives us y, and y equals 1. Great. So we have found our y value, which is 1. Now, upon finding our y term, we're going to substitute our y value into one of these equations, either equation 1 or equation 2, and solve for x. And I'm going to substitute it into equation 2. So 3x plus 4y, which is 1, equals 1. 3x plus 4 equals 1. 3x plus 4 minus 4 equals 1 minus 4. This is 0. We're now left with 3x equals negative 3. 3 into 3 goes 1 times. 3 into negative 3 is negative 1. 1 times x is x. Therefore, our x term, or our x value, is negative 1. Therefore, when x equals negative 1, y equals 1. Or we can write our answers in this form: negative 1 and 1, where this is our x value and this is our y value. Great. So we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope now you have an understanding on solving simultaneous equations by using the elimination method. I will be doing further lessons on this topic, so please stay tuned. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything done in this video, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you.